Hello, I'm Gyles Brandreth, and I adore National Poetry Day because it's all about connecting. Words with words, people with people, poems with friends. This year, I've already shared more than 100 poems online with more than 2 million views. Thinking of all the carers at the height of the pandemic, this one by Emily Dickinson seemed to strike a particular chord. If I can stop one heart from breaking, I shall not live in vain. If I can ease one life the aching, or cool one pain, or help one fainting robin unto his nest again, I shall not live in vain. The National Poetry Day team have made it easy for you to share poems too, with a list of 40 new recommended reads for October the 1st, the big day. Just seize the nearest poetry book from your bookshop or library, take a deep breath and let the words do the rest.